And here's our review for week 5, day 4. How many factors does 72 have? So we need to list them all and then count it. So I'm going to start with 1 times 72. And 72 is even, so I know that 2 works. And it's 2 times 36. My trick for 3 is if I add 7 plus 2, I get 9. And 9 is a factor of 3, so 3 does work. And its partner is 24. I need to look at 4. 4 does work. It would be 18. 5 does not work because it doesn't end in 0 or 5. 6 will work because 2 and 3 are factors of 6, or because 2 and 3 are factors of 72, so 6 is a factor of 72. And it is 12. 7 does not work because I know 7 times 10 is 70, so I won't get the 72 there. And I know 8 works because it's 8 times 9. And that's going to be all of them because the next one I would try was 9, and it's already listed. So now we have to count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 72 is 12 factors. Number 2, which number has factors that include 5 and 6? Well, it's not going to be 11 because 11 is a prime number, so it's only 1 and 11. Letter B, I can do 1 times 15, and I can do 3 times 5. So it's got the 5 but not the 6. Letter C, I can do 1 times 30, 2 times 15, and 5 times 6. So they're not just factors, they're the factor pair. And 54 doesn't end in a 5 or a 0, so we know that 5 won't work for that one. Number 3, Haley bought 3 tops that cost $11 each and 2 pairs of jeans that cost $29 each. She gave the cashier $100. How much should Haley get? Well, I need to figure out how much the tops costs, how much the jeans cost, how much the total is, and then my change. So my tops, I'm going to do 11 times 3, which is 33. For my jeans, I'm going to do 29 times 2, which is 58. Then to find my total, I add my jeans and my tops together, and I get $91. And then to figure out my change, I say she paid $100 and she only needed 91. So to find out what's left, she gets $9 back. Number 4, which number set below only has prime numbers? Well, 11 is prime, 13 is prime, 23 is prime, and 31 is prime. So A works. B, I can see doesn't work right away because there's even numbers in there. And the only even number that's prime is 2. Letter C again, there's an even number. And letter D, no even numbers, so 23 is prime, 37 is prime, 41 is prime, but 51 isn't. 51 can be divided by 3, and it would be 3 times 17. So since 51 is not prime, A works there. Number 5, which number set contains all of the factors of 36? Okay, I'm going to list them as factor pairs off to the side, and then we can go through and check it with my rainbow. So we have 1 times 36. 36 is even, so 2 works. 2 times 18. 6 plus 3 is 9, which is divisible by 3, so 3 will work. 3 times 12. 4 times 9. 5 does not work because it doesn't end in 5 or 0. But 6 works, and it's 6 times 6. So that's all of them. Let's make sure here. Let's go through. I have 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and, oh, there's 16 in there. 16 is not divisible by 36, so that one doesn't work. Let's look at B. 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6. So B works. See, C has an 8 thrown in there and an 18. Those don't work. And D's, oh, 18 works, sorry, 16. 16 doesn't work. And letter D is missing our 6, so it doesn't have them all. So B is our answer. And number 6, which number is a multiple of 5 and 8? Multiple works the opposite way of factors. So the 5 and the 8 would be part of the problem to equal my answer. So neither 5 or 8 could multiply by anything else to get to 13. 5 times 4 is 20, so 20 is a multiple of 5. But nothing times 8 is 20, so that one won't work. Nothing times 5 can equal 48. But I can multiply by 5 to get to 80. And I can multiply by 8 to get to 80. 8 times 10 is 80. And so my answer is D. And that is our review for week 5, day 4.